Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. What's that? It's 6.
I know.
Well, that's why she said she don't give a fuck that lot.
Huh?
I got me. I said that's why she said she don't give a fuck that lot. I got me a 6-inch too. Got my sub. I got me something to drink. Had to give me some extra dipping sauce because they be shiesty. I ain't want to tell her to put some more, then she was going to try to overfill my shit. I got the chicken bacon ranch sub. And I got double meat, so it's like real big. Don't touch my napkins, bro. Got me some chips. You may be smacking in this video. If you don't like it, don't watch it. Period. I just know I'm about to smash. Man, this lady who was doing my sub was being so slow. She was in, first of all, she was in Subway by herself. And the bitch was just moving so I was so mad. I just wanted to go back there and help her, like, girl, what are you doing?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it was so good. And I got the Italian herb and cheese bread. Y'all probably ain't even hip to that. I only got hip to it because I used to work there. Yeah. Look at this, man. Look at that. Come my juice off. Refreshing. Y'all like orange juice? I do. It's good. Some people say they don't like it though, because of the taste. Like the aftertaste, I guess. I don't know. Motherfuckers just be talking just to hear they talk. Yeah. The bacon is like bacon is nice and tender. I kept making her reheat it. Like, I know how y'all cook y'all bacon, but nasty ass shit. Yeah, my meat just falling out the side because, like I said, it's double meat. Have y'all went to Subway and asked for double meat? It's hot. Orange juice not gonna make it go down, dummy. Mine is too. That's why I gave my cup. Anyways, y'all, have you ever went to Subway and asked for double meat or deluxe meat? Deluxe meat, you only get one more scoop of like whatever you got. Like, so you went to go get this, you only gonna get one more extra scoop of chicken for 75 cents. Only 75 cents, y'all. Or like if you go get like a BMT, you gonna get 2 more pieces of every piece of meat that come on there. But if you ask for double, you get 4. You get I mean 2. Like I got 2 extra scoops of chicken for, if it's on 6 inches, $1. If it's on the foot long, it's 3. Look at that. Oh yeah, this sauce is hot. I should have told you that, huh? Who upstairs? Well, I had an interview today. I had to look educated. So I just doing my shopping shirt. I say, do you want him? Yes, huh? I need to get hip to this Subway shit. I love onions, by the way, y'all. Like, I will eat an onion like it's an apple. Like, I fucking love onions. I just realized that lady who did my sub ain't even had no damn name tag though. Can't even go complain about her. I'm not about to eat this all, y'all. I'm starting to get full already. First half of my sub is down. My mouth is hot. I like hot stuff though, so it's okay. And I got banana peppers and jalapenos on there. Why you got no jacket with no shirt? Got some cookies too. Look at that bad boy. What's up? He just knew I was about to ask him if he wants some. Like, here, get a napkin. Use one. Y'all, I'm full. So, how y'all doing on this beautiful Saturday? All right. Bye, y'all.